To make your morning assembly better, here are some suggestions. 1. Set clear objectives. Define the purpose and goals of your morning assembly. Is it to provide information, motivate students, or build a sense of community? Clarifying your objectives will help you structure the assembly effectively. 2. Plan engaging activities. Include a variety of engaging activities to keep students interested and involved. Consider incorporating elements like inspiring speeches, student performances, interactive games, thought-provoking videos, or guest speakers. 3. Communicate a positive message. Use the morning assembly as an opportunity to communicate positive messages, reinforce values, and promote a healthy and inclusive school culture. Encourage students to practice kindness, respect, and empathy towards one another. 4. Incorporate student involvement. Give students an active role in the morning assembly. This can be through student-led presentations, performances, or sharing success stories. Involving students not only empowers them but also makes the assembly more relatable and engaging. 5. Timeliness and punctuality. Start the morning assembly on time and keep it within a reasonable duration. Students and staff have busy schedules, so respecting their time will contribute to a better overall experience. 6. Utilize visuals and technology. Incorporate visual aids, such as slideshows or videos, to enhance your presentations. You can use technology to display announcements, motivational quotes, or even a student of the day. This will make the assembly more visually appealing and interactive. 7. Promote active listening. Encourage active listening during the morning assembly by providing opportunities for students to reflect, discuss, or ask questions about the topics presented. This can be done through brief discussion sessions or small group activities. 8. Flexibility and variety. Keep the morning assembly dynamic by incorporating a variety of content and formats. Alternate between informative segments, entertaining performances, and interactive discussions to maintain interest and cater to different learning styles. 9. Seek feedback. Regularly seek feedback from students, staff, and other stakeholders to gauge their opinions and suggestions. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments to enhance the morning assembly experience. 10. Celebrate achievements. Recognize and celebrate student achievements, milestones, or positive behavior during the morning assembly. This not only boosts morale but also reinforces the values and goals of the school community. Remember, every school is unique, so tailor these suggestions to suit your specific context and the needs of your students and staff. Continuously evaluate and evolve your morning assembly based on feedback and changing requirements to make it even better over time.